Ezarc 3-piece gardening set is a must-have tool for all your gardening needs, like digging, transplanting, loosening soil and removing weeds, etc. The gardening set includes a hand trowel for digging when planting, picking up plants, turning soil, and more. A hand rake for loosening soil, removing weeds, and a garden multi-tool for weeding and cutting. Made of premium stainless steel which couldn't be bent, the Ezarc gardening tool set is extremely durable and rust-resistant. And with the mirror polishing process, it's easy to clean. The ergonomically designed handle made of ash wood provides the ultimate comfort for gardening work, and the handle bottom is designed with a cowhide lanyard for easy storage. Packaged with an elegant gift box, Ezarc Gardening Set is a perfect gift to delight your family, friends, and yourself. Ezarc, the right tools for a flourishing garden.